There's a lot we can tell you. That we're among the world's largest industrial service providers, develop our own solution-driven concepts, deliver a broad range of technical expertise with our over 36,000 employees, stand for tradition and innovation, are active all around the world with strong regional ties. But we'd rather let our customers have their say. Mr. Gutschek, tell us, what made you decide to work with Bilfinger?
Bilfinger submitted a high-quality project concept, and ultimately we felt we were offered good value for the money. One factor was the integration of the district heating accumulator, which helps us reduce costs because we no longer supply heat and electricity to our customers at the same time, but in line with market demand. This allows us to reduce costs, operate more flexibly, and increase the security of supply.
In just under 12 months, Bilfinger built one of Germany's largest and most modern pressureless district heating accumulators using a special spiral assembly technique. Duisburg Public Utilities put it into operation in 2018. In connection with a new pump station, the almost 44,000 cubic meters of water from the modern dual-zone accumulator run on the headback system for which Bilfinger holds the patent are fed into the district heating network. Climate-friendly, flexible and economically efficient.
We are a one-stop service provider for both maintenance tasks throughout the year and projects that take place at the plants, shutdowns, stoppages, revamps. Bilfinger Industrial Services has a well-trained team that is familiar with the plant and works both at our job sites and in our workshops, in materials testing, engineering and project management, making sure that our customers' plant operations are efficient and eco-friendly every single day. We apply international standards to all our projects and maintenance services so that medium-sized companies receive the same performance quality as large multinational producers. Bilfinger was created through a buy and build strategy, which means that many of our companies come from internal maintenance or other companies. These were then merged and one Bilfinger was established. We are industry insiders. We know exactly what our customers want and need and how we can provide the service. And that makes us unique in the market. We're here. We know the plants, we know the customer, and we coordinate closely with them to keep plants running without unscheduled downtimes.
Safety, quality, adherence to schedules, and reliability. We consider ourselves your partner. Your concern is our concern. Your satisfaction is our goal. It's simple. If you're satisfied, so are we.